Hi, this is Arthur from the Minute Review Show. If you have a minute, I have an opinion. During this past holiday break, we took a trip to the Museum of Science and Industry, located in Chicago. I heard from friends that it is one of the best museums in Chicago. In this video, we'll briefly show what we saw during our 6 hours at the museum. After paying for admission, we were given a map of the museum when we learned there are 3 floors to explore. As you can see, we went during the holiday season. There was a lovely display of Christmas trees from around the world. There are many scientific hands-on displays at the museum, and some have presenters who explain to visitors what they were looking at. As you can see, some of these displays were truly large and impressive. Here we see an assembly line that mold toys for visitors at a price. There's also several vintage airplanes on display. A really impressive display was a scale model of Chicago. The detail was mind-blowing. Adjacent to the model was a huge collection of working model trains. There were varied terrains that the trains traveled through, and I'd say the backdrop was even more impressive than the trains. Here's another one of those paid exhibitions. The MSI had several Motorama machines that created plastic toys. It's pretty impressive. This little fella here got a toy train. It's not the fastest machine, but it made for a great souvenir for only $5. One of the 2 best exhibits at the MSI was the German U-505 submarine, which was captured by the Americans off the African Atlantic coast during World War II. This submarine is huge, and you could take a tour inside for an additional fee. Just take a look at all the detail that has been preserved, from the torpedoes, propellers, rudders, and the guns on deck. Here's a real Conestoga wagon. And here's an entire room containing Motorama machines. Here's the dining area with 2 separate areas to buy food. And just a quick invitation to subscribe to my channel. We hope you like this video. We do these videos once a week and hope you can join us. The MSI also has a space exhibit with real artifacts loaned from NASA. These were truly impressive. For kids, there's an Idea Factory, which is a kids' play area. Finally, the second best exhibit is a full-size Boeing 727. You can go in and explore. Here's the kid learning how to direct traffic at the airport. Before we left the MSI, we visited the gift shop. One more thing. Don't forget to get your pressed penny. It costs only $1.01. I hope you liked my brief tour of the MSI. The only thing I wasn't able to show you was our visit to the Giant Dome Theater. We paid an extra fee and watched a movie about blue whales. The theater was a combination between an IMAX theater and a planetarium dome. It was truly immersive and impressive. In the end, the MSI is truly a hit with families. I saw plenty of kids there having a great time with their families. My only criticism about the MSI is that there are a lot of add-ons to the museum. For example, special exhibits like the Pompeii exhibit cost extra, the U-boat tour cost extra, the toy factory cost extra, the flight simulators cost extra. In the end, you could easily make it a reasonably priced trip to the museum and turn it into an ultra-luxury experience. We didn't do any of the extras other than the movie, but for the 6 hours we spent, I think we got plenty for our basic admission. Have you been to the MSI? Please let me know in the comments about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos.